Hey guys. Oh wow. Whoa. Easy, Carter. Easy. Okay. Hey. So me and Ryan are going to talk to you for a couple seconds, and then we're going to take a nice, healthy 20-25 minute break. I believe there are the last vestiges of some delicious coffee out there. So anyone who needs their last caffeine hit, go get it before they kind of pack up and close. I am one of the co-organizers. Well, CascadiaJS. If that's like an infant, there's a couple older kids that have been around a little longer than this event that me and Ryan are involved in, but not together. So that would be weird. So I am also the core organizer of a meetup here in Seattle called CascadiaJS. CascadiaJS on theory and on paper meets once a month. CascadiaJS really threw us all for a bit of a loop. So there currently isn't a meetup scheduled for November, but generally we meet once a month. So if you've never been to CascadiaJS, take this experience and then kind of distill it down into an evening, and that's kind of what CascadiaJS is. We bring in people to generally like one speaker, maybe two, to talk about some area of JavaScript of interest. We tend to rotate locations around Seattle. We've been in Fremont the last couple of times, but for sure, either this month or next month, we'll be hitting up some new locations. So my point being, if you live in Seattle and you don't belong to the CascadiaJS meetup, please join. Regardless of whether you know for a fact you can or can't make it. You'll basically get notified about meetups as they happen, and it's just a great way to kind of continue this experience and kind of keep going with it. But yeah, the CascadiaJS is sort of the umbrella organization, but there's a new kid on the street, and his name is Seattle Backbone, and that is Ryan's meetup, and he's going to talk to you guys about it for a few seconds.
And real quick, if Dan Dean is in the room and could stand up for just a second, I just want to say thanks to him. Is he here? He's left the room. Anyway, he was here earlier. He used to run the CascadiaJS meetup and put a lot of love into that. So I, a couple months, started the Seattle Backbone meetup. Our next meetup is on December 4th. I'll be talking about how to cache and serve, cache your Backbone app with Phantom.js and serve it all the assets, style sheets, JavaScripts, and the data that you need for Backbone sync all in a single request. And also Brad Dunbar will be doing a live Q&A with us, and he is the only man alive who can merge a pull request into the Backbone core, except Jeremy. So that should be interesting. So yeah, that's December 4th, and just Google Seattle Backbone or type in that URL.
Yeah, cool. And I'll go ahead and.
Cav's not. We should just.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Sorry. And Cav's not here. He is the organizer of Seattle Node. So yet another really awesome meetup. Obviously, specific to sort of people who are enthusiastic and interested in the Node community. I'll go ahead and tweet these out, so don't panic about copying them down. Although they are fairly self-explanatory. Meetup.com/what you think you might be interested in. According to the schedule, the next speaker, we're a bit ahead of time. The next speaker is going to be coming on at 4:30. I don't see any reason why we won't stick to the schedule. So, you guys have a break, kind of mingle, do your email, get as much work done as possible, because we have a really insanely packed schedule tomorrow. And we have a ton of fun tonight, right? So don't even fantasize about not coming to the party because you have to do work. That would be craziness. So awesome, so cool. Big break, and we'll see everyone back here at 4:30. Thanks.